Chiwanda Subi, Madam Kasolo, representing Minister Kasolo. I have a message for you from His Excellency the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museven. It's written in English in big numbers. I commend Kyakusasira for taking advantage of this space and stability ushered by NRM to harness her talent. Since 1986, the focus of NRM government has been addressing the strategic bottlenecks to development. This include underdevelopment of infrastructure, lack of industrialization, a small market, underdevelopment of human resource. Musicians to invest wisely the money that they earn from the music industry. We should invest in it other sectors of the economy, e.g. hospitality, leisure industry, by building restaurants, hotels like Haruna Mubiru and Misach Semakula, whom I understand have good food and prepare good meals in addition to performances. This will enable you to have a lasting source of income even when you stop performing on stage. Finally, I appeal to the musicians to conduct themselves in disciplined manner and a patriotic manner. Please avoid risk lifestyle like abuse of alcohol and other dangerous substances. They shorten your lifespan by predisposing you to many diseases and complications. They can also compromise your sense of judgment, lead you into criminality. Therefore, I urge all of you to remain sober and focus on cultivating your talent for the good of your families and society. Mama Janet joins me to congratulate Catherine Kyakusasira upon her wonderful concert and wish her great success. I have contributed a total of 30 million shilling cash. Also, I've paid for the stage, sound and light for tonight's concert. Signed, Yoweri Kaguta Museven, President of Uganda. The money is in a check here, so she can go and bank her check.
Tweyanziza nnyo, tweyanzidde.